What's going on, YouTube? I'm back at it again. Today I just got a few things to talk about and to show you guys. Yesterday I went out and I went to this tire shop that I always go to out here, and it's been raining off and on in the Bay Area, so I decided to get some new tires. I'll be posting up the old tires that I had on my Civic. All right, and they were old. They were about let's say 3 years old, and they were all mismatching. I just picked up like one or two of them, like from a used tire shop. So I wanted to, and so I decided to get some brand new tires. And what I got is what I was gonna show you guys. So let me flip you guys around. All right, so what I decided on were these Hankooks. It's the Ventus V2 concept, and the size on these are the 205 50 15s. The rims, they're right there, 15 by 6.5. So they're able to fit a 205. Now I just drove it around and back home from yesterday, and what I can tell you guys is it makes a big difference. The old tires that I had were 185 55 15s, and these I would say is a lot quieter, so road noise is minimized with these new tires. Also, with the handling, these tires are wider than the 185s, so you could actually really feel when you're making corners and turns. It's much better. Now, the reason why I decided to go with these were I just found them cheaper than the other tires that I was looking at out there for the same size. I got these. Well, they're not the cheapest one, but I went on Walmart.com and searched them out, and they came out to, I think it was like 72 bucks. 72 bucks at Walmart. And I looked everywhere else, Tire Rack, Wheel Works, and for these size tires, they're ranging from 110 to about 140 each. Different brands, but for this particular one, like I said, some of them were just higher. I think Amazon had these for about 90 something each. So I got the 4 set. It came out to about 280, I would say. And yeah, I think it was a good deal. Now I went to the tire shop yesterday and got them on, and that cost me about 68 bucks to put all 4 tires, and he gave me the new valve stem. So you know, I went around to other shops, and you know, they were charging just $20 a tire, just for installation. And so 68 bucks with new valve stems. I think that's a good deal too. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. And I will be working on this car, so but I'll put it on another video. I'm about to go and change the coilovers on these. But as far as you know, reviewing these tires, I would say you know, you guys will see my old tires. I'll post up the pictures. But yeah, the ride quality is just a lot better. You know, these, you know, especially when it's raining, the floor is wet. You know, hydroplaning is one of the concerns with, you know, these lighter cars. And so you know, be safe out there, and get some new tires if you guys need them. What I also like about these tires is that if you look on the side, you can see a lot more meat that kind of sticks out a little bit further from the rim. I think that looked better than the 185s that I had on these. It looked like they were just sunk in a little bit more, and you know, I like this beefier look to it. So just anybody who's thinking about, you know, getting some new tires, or you know, looking at this particular one, you know, you guys can see now how it looks like. But another thing that I wanted to talk about was, so since it's been raining, what I noticed is no, I don't think it's this one, but yeah, here. So this rear passenger taillight, it's getting moisture inside there. So I'm thinking about drying it off, well, taking it off and then drying it. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like there's a water line in there, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna take it off and reseal it. I'm not trying to buy any new tail lights. You know, these are OEM. I'm gonna keep it that way. So yeah, that's another thing that I have to go do. But you know, I just noticed that this year, you know, when it started raining. So there's probably a crack, or the seal is probably old and broken, that, you know, seals up that lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna catch that on video or what, but I'm gonna fix that though. But I think that's it. That's all I got for right now. Stay tuned for the other video, because like I said, I'm gonna be changing out the coilovers on these. But all right guys, have a good one.